really say hi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We have the first Luvlette try on of the year. I'm so excited. I have so many good bras to share with you guys today. You're going to love it. I have different colors I haven't tried yet either, which is really exciting. If you purchase anything from Lovelet and you want a discount, use the code DREAMLISS to get 15% off your purchase. But until then, let's get into the video. How cute is this berry color? Isn't this pretty? But it's this gorgeous lacy berry bra. I love the lace. If you have a fuller chest, especially top wise, everybody's chest is different, and if your chest is fuller up here, this is the perfect bra for you because it really will hold you in nicely. I'm obsessed with this color, obsessed. I don't have anything this shade. It has the mesh on the sides and then the lace down the middle, the little clasp in the back. It's just so pretty. This is a really good color for Valentine's Day. I typically wear just a lot of black undergarments, but this berry color feels feminine yet powerful at the same time. You know what I mean? It doesn't feel too girly or too young. It just feels very empowering. I don't know how to explain that. Like, this color is very like, I'm a woman and I'm here. You know what I mean? I love it. This might be one of my favorite bras I've ever received from Lovelet. This lavender. I think lavender is my new go-to. Yeah, so freaking beautiful. It's so soft. I wish you guys could feel how soft this is. It is stuck. I mean, hello. This is giving me a push to the chest, but it's still comfortable. Have you ever tried on a push-up bra where you just feel like you're being suffocated right here? I don't feel like that. This is comfortable. I'm just in place. This also has the clasp in the back. I really wish you guys could just feel how soft it is. It's very buttery smooth. It lays super nicely. Like I said, it gives you the lift. It's supportive, but not doing too much to the chest. There's nothing that is more uncomfortable to me than putting on any type of bra that just feels very restricting. I don't like that. This feels so nice and buttery and smooth and supportive. And this color, this lavender, you guys, am I turning into a purple girl? I love this lavender color. Now we have this corset top. I will say, I think it's cute, but I do wish that it had a little more support here and like would push up my chest a little more, but not everybody likes that. So if you prefer something that feels a little more modest, I guess, then this would be perfect for you. It's such a cute corset top. It has all of the clasps down the back. There's a lot of them. Very, very cute. I also got this in red, but here's the black. It has this really cute ribbon down the front. Here's the same top, but in the red. I love this shade of red. It's so bright and fun and beautiful, but it's just the same. I also will say, I did order this and I believe a medium, and I totally could have sized down to a small. So keep that in mind. If you're a true medium, or if you are on like a between a small and medium mark, I would just go for the small. Since we're going with the red, here's another red bra. This one is so freaking cute. It's so cute. It has the lace, but then it has like this little ribbing over it. This tiny little clasp in the front is so cute. The clasp in the back. This is a very classic form-fitting bra, and it is fully covering my boobs. So if you are someone that wants something that's full coverage, to me this is fully covering because it's not like dipped in, my boobs aren't falling out of it. It's just holding me here, right in place, not pushing them up, not pulling them down. They're just right where they're at. And I really love that. It's very comfortable too. I feel like sometimes you look at a bra like this that has the lace and the ribbons and things like that, you might think that looks uncomfortable or might not be one that I could wear every day. You could totally wear this under a t-shirt. Like, it's still very comfortable. Something I really love about Lovelet as well is that they can create bras like this that are still super cute and sexy, and you're like, ooh, I want to wear that for my man or whoever, but it's still comfortable. This might be the girliest bra that I own. Look at the florals. Look at the push-up. This is stunning. Look at how gorgeous that is. She's so beautiful. This is gorgeous. I love this. Also, the lavender, I don't know what's happening. I think I'm a lavender girly and I didn't know it. This is such a pretty color. Oh my gosh, who knew? Not me, I didn't know. I love this. Honestly, this is giving me Victoria's Secret, but without the price tag, which we love. I love to save $1, okay? This is really cute. This is definitely, if you're looking for a push-up, this is your girl. And if you want a push-up that's fun or very girly or feminine, this is so, so good. So I'm telling you, it's giving me push-up, but it's still comfortable. I don't feel like I'm like, oh my gosh, you know what I mean? This is gorgeous. It also does the clasp in the back, of course, as always. I feel like a little fairy princess in this. This is gorgeous. It's giving me a lift without making me feel like my chest is like, too heavy. Okay, up close and personal shot, but the detailing on here is gorgeous. This is insane. Look how beautiful that is. I wanna wear this all day. I love her. Now this black bra, she might be neck and neck with the last one. I am obsessed because it has the little lace peekaboo and then this gorgeous satin on the side. I mean, hello. This is adorable. It also does the same little cutesy clasp right there, the way the red bra did, which I thought is really cute. Clasp in the back, as always. I'm not gonna lie to you, a black bra is what I'm a sucker for. That's kind of my everything. I feel the most comfortable in a black bra. I don't know why. It's just my go-to, it's my favorite. So this is nice. This is giving me a lift as well. There's definitely some push-up in here, but this bra isn't as big as the last one was. I feel like the purple one I just had on was gorgeous, but it felt bigger than this one is. This one's just hot. I mean, I feel hot in this. This is gorgeous. I'm obsessed with the lace and the satin moment. That is so, so freaking cute. I feel like normally it's either all lace or the all satin, but this has both. It feels like this cute little like peekaboo, and I love that. I am here for this. This is a good day night bra. You know what I mean? Wear this under a dress, then you can figure out what happens after that, but this is a really good bra. I love this. This bra to me is giving me the energy of, oh, I wanna go on a date and have my man see me in this. That's what this bra says to me. Or your woman or whoever you're seeing. This is it's a day night bra. It totally is, and I'm here for that. What did you guys think? These were so cute, right? Also lavender. I didn't know that lavender was such a fabulous color. I'm obsessed with this color now. It's my new go-to. Again, like I said, if you want to purchase anything, use my code DREAMLISS for money off. Also, all the links to what I had in the video today will be linked for you below. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you would like to see more Luvlette try-ons, let me know in the comments below and I will do that for you. I love you guys. Bye.